Hello, in today's quick video I will show you how to add a video in GoDaddy. So when you are building your website on GoDaddy, you will go to a website builder and you want to put your video in from your YouTube channel. So I will, for example, choose my homepage and I will add a section. I will add a section right here. You can add it where you want it. I will click add section and we will go to audio and video. We will click the audio and video. Of course, we can do just audio, live stream, podcast, or video, what we want to do. We will click video and we will choose a layout. I will choose this first layout to do it. And when we choose that layout, we will get it on our home page. And of course, we can do everything here. We can adjust the layout, adjust the accent of it, how the theme looks. We can upload and select a create video, or we can just import it from the URL, example from our YouTube. We will take the URL from our YouTube channel, from our video, and we'll put it here in the YouTube, in the URL space, and it will be loaded up on your website. Of course, we can add a title to it, and we can add a video description, everything that we want to talk about. And when people click, of course, on your website, when you upload it, when you enter it all out, it will show in your YouTube video, will show on your website. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this very quick tutorial how to add a video on your GoDaddy website. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, just ask in the comments or visit our YouTube channel for any other tutorials. We have many tutorials. And guys, I hope I see you in the next one, and bye.